Hi everyone, I'm Artur. Today I will tell you how create data element in ABAP dictionary and how we can use this element in other object ABAP dictionary and in program. Go create, field name, description, domain. This field very important. We can choose Z domain, customer domain or standard domain. About domains I will tell you in next video. Today I will show you on standard domains. For example, Matener, it's for materials. Number, flag, it's for check yes or no. And for example, also company code, Bucharest. Continue. We can use predefined type, simple type like char, and others often use char, int, nunt, quan. About this I will tell you when we will continue with domain. I don't recommend you use this because if you work with domain you have more opportunities. For using ref type, it's the same like if you write in code program ref2, but in real work I don't use this. If you use, write comment how you use this. Attributes only for information. Field label, these labels which you will see on screens. For example, this variant, future characteristics, search help, these fields for connecting element with search help, and in future when we use this element, system will use this search help if there are opportunity for this. Try to find search help. This, for example, this. Choose this, for example. Choose parameters. It's parameters for this search help. Choose Bucharest. Okay. Parameter ID use for filling field on DynPro with using setGet parameter construction. Default component name all include in this name. Change the document, it's about need or not. Save information about changing this field when we will use in database tables. It's about input history. I show you, like for example this. You see for this field I have input history. These fields more specific. Now it's not necessary. Talk about this. Continue how we can use this element. Activate, choose package, save, choose request. If you want to create local elements, you choose local object before. Element activated. Now we see this element in dictionary. Copy name. Firstly, try to use in structure. We better create new structure. Name. Element name in component type. Component name I choose, for example, test char, and we see type and short description. And we can activate. You can choose local object if you want. Warning log we can show, for example. It's not very important. Okay, we activate it, and now if we go to input helps, we can see this information, our search help and domain which we use. Also we can use elements in database table. I create very strange names, but only for tests. Choose first. What is this? I will tell you after in future videos. Now about element. Okay, more often in tables. First field it's client. Now our field, activate table, save. This random. In future I will tell you what is this. Activate. No. Okay, table activated, and also we see our search help. And now I will show you how we can use this element in program. We can use like this, or like this, or like this, with using new syntax. About new syntax I will tell you in future. And I also forgot about types. We can create structure with this field like this. If for you interesting what is this, watch previous video. Subscribe, like, bye.